Hi everyone! Welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're gonna talk and learn about
graphs.
graphs. Yeah, so we see three graphs here in the picture. This one called
A pie graph.
pie chart. Yeah.
Oh,
What you call this one?
that one is a bar graph.
And how about the third one?
A line graph.
Yeah, so for more details, we're gonna see in the next slide. So what is actually graph? Let's see what's the definition saying. A graph is a picture that shows information in a simple way. So let's see what example we have there. So can you explain, Lina? I see there are four colors.
4 people like red. 3 people like blue. And 2 people like green. And 1 person likes yellow.
So how many all total? How many people all together in the classroom?
10.
10 students.
Do you know how? Because 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10.
Great. Let's go to the next slide for more detail.
Yep.
So various types of graphs. Let's see what kind of graphs we have. At the beginning we talk about a little bit. So let's see. So there are different types of graphs such as bar graphs, line graphs, pie charts, and scattered plots. So we have examples there. Can you please press it? So this one called a bar graphs.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
I'll
What is
put
that? What do you call that one?
A pie chart.
Pie charts. How about this one?
This is a line graph.
Okay, the last one.
Wait, but also,
Can you please show the last one first?
remember in the beginning, there was like this. Yeah, that's also a line graph.
So the
And
last
then
one.
this is a scattered graph.
Scattered
Plots.
graphs. Yeah. So basically, line graphs helps us to see in the pictures and makes it's a little bit simple than the words. The graphs are really easy to recognize. You don't have to see, oh, if I come, red, it seems like lots of people like red. And in that graph also, red has a
4 people.
bigger amount, right?
Yeah, but that's also 4.
Yeah.
I'm just going to get.
So basically, all those 4 types of graphs, says the same thing but a different way. Okay, let's go to the next slide. So if we don't have a graph, we have a problem. Let's see how it is in the problem statements. So examples, favorite colors in a classroom. So how are we going to solve a problem in a word?
And by the way, favorite colors in a classroom is that hint title.
Hint title.
So it's going to come up on this page.
Okay. Well, let's see. So do you want to read that?
You can.
Okay. Imagine a classroom of children and each child has a favorite color. We asked the children and here's what we found. So if you have to write in the words, it has a lots of work. So 1 for children like red.
Like again, the bar graph. 4 children like red, 3 children like blue, 2 children like green, 1 child likes yellow.
Okay, so lots of work.
Yep.
Right? Can you draw the graph to this information?
Well, we're not gonna draw the graph.
Well, we already did it. Right?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay. Let's go to the next slide. So the graph is way easier, right?
And I mean this favorite colors title is on the next.
Okay, let's see. So the bar graph Example favorite colors in a classroom. Imagine a classroom of children and each child has a favorite color. We ask the children and here is ribbon. Those are in the statement. Now we have to draw it in the graph. So it's gonna be way easier.
We don't
You
even
don't
have
have
to
to
draw.
read so many words, so many sentences. Here you just have to put it. So four students like red, 3 likes blue and green 2 and yellow 1. Okay, let's go to the next slide. That's the example of paragraph.
I mean, it's gonna be on the third page.
Oh.
I actually don't know.
Okay, same thing in the pie chart.
Pie
Yeah.
chart.
Same thing in the pie
Same
chart.
thing.
So
So you
red
don't
has
have
a
to explain.
big amount,
That's for.
and then blue, then green, and the list is yellow. So the example of pie chart and the line graph.
Oh, it's gonna be
Here
after
is the
all of these.
statements, and here is the example of graph.
Boop.
Yeah.
Or
So this is red, that's blue, and that's green,
yellow.
and that's yellow. So yellow is in the bottom, and red is in the top. Next one, scatter plot. So scatter plot could be anywhere. So red, 4 kids like red, so it's up.
And 3 kids like blue, and 2 kids like green, and 1 kid
It's
likes yellow.
So scatter.
Yeah.
Whereas the word is so long, it's so hard to see, right? Okay.
And
next.
plus the words on the second one, I bet you guys can see it.
Yeah. Okay, next slide. Boop. So parts of graphs. So we learn what is graph, but what are the parts? It's important to learn about that too.
Here is the title.
Yeah.
Remember what's the title?
Yeah. So in the title is the first. What is the title?
I know it's gonna come out, the question.
Okay.
So don't say it now.
Okay, go. So the title, favorite colors in the classroom.
That's what I said.
The next, what is the another part?
The
X-axis. What is that x-axis?
The x-axis is this line.
The horizontal line at the bottom represents a different color.
This. And plus it says colors.
Yeah, I mean, can I have it? This is the line, right? Horizontal.
It's over here.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, it looks like this. This is the colors.
Mm-hmm.
And this is
called x-axis.
X.
Yeah, so we learned there is a title, there is an x-axis. What else?
Well, that's too tiny.
What else a graph has? Let's go
What
to the
else?
next slide. Yeah, part of the graph continues. So there is also y-axis. So where is the y-axis?
Easy.
Wow.
This line.
Oh, a vertical line on the left
This line
is
is
a
the
y-axis.
y-axis.
Yeah,
Oops, I'm doing it too hard.
that's okay.
Axis.
Axis labels, what are they? What are they? Yeah, so colors.
So this,
Which is stayed on the x-axis, sorry. And the number of
and
the
then
children.
this is axis. I'm just gonna put A
X-axis. So on the x-axis there are the colors, and on the y-axis there is
number of children.
So that's the part of the graph.
Okay, next slide.
Let's go to the next slide.
Oh yeah.
So parts of the axis,
Parts
of the graph continues. Axis scale. What is that? Axis scale. The numbers along the y-axis shows the range of children.
Right here.
Yeah.
4, 3, 2.
So basically,
1,
it's the number. 0. That's the range.
I wish there was like one that said purple, and then they would say nothing. That would be a better graph.
Okay. So what else, Lena? What else a graph has?
Bars.
What do you mean by bars?
The colored bars represent the number of children who prefer each color.
Over there.
So this.
No, that's the
I mean
that small parts.
These.
Yeah, that's represent. So red color means red.
I have to get out of the way.
Yeah.
That's better.
Wow, so many things to learn, Lena. So
x-axis,
y-axis, title of the graph, and then colors, the number of children's, axis, scale, and bars. Okay, let's see the next slide. Part of the graphs continue. What is this one?
And everything is here. The colors.
The legend.
To the right, this is
that's the legend.
This is also. See, I told you the bars were these.
Bar was the
right?
Sorry, let's go back to bars. The colors bars represent the number of the children who.
These are not bars.
Those are.
Those are squares. They're not bars.
I did wrong. Sorry.
Oh, and I could show you a bar that kind of looks like a bar.
The bar is this.
Yeah, look, this kind of looks like a bar. I already pushed my hair.
Okay. Oops, that was my mistake. So the legend means that one.
And
to the
grid
right.
lines.
And the grid lines. So grid lines, Lena, is here.
Not shown in this graph,
but they could be added to the help to read values.
Grid lines are like right here, but they're not.
They're not shown.
Which color shows? Dark.
Yeah, it's like up, horizontal and vertical, right? Small lines.
Yeah, so like over here.
Yeah.
Can you see that? Yes, and then like one here, one here, one here. Then there's one over here, and then there's horizontal ones.
Yeah.
Those are the colors.
There is also notebook with our graph lines.
Oh yeah, we have a notebook, but we have a book.
Okay, let's see.
Oh yeah, notebook.
Okay, let's up. So that's all. That's all about the graph. There was a lots of information about graph, so it's important to learn each of them, right?
And if you're learning graphs, you're gonna be learning graphs in grade 3.
Yeah.
Because I'm in grade 3. Actually, not in grade 3. Yeah. I'm going to grade 3 right now.
So why we need to learn graph, Lena?
Because when somebody does like a graph to you, you could choose. Like you would know what to do.
It's easy to see.
Yeah, and it's easy to do because you already know.
Easy to recognize in the graph, then you don't have to read the big sentences. Okay, so thank you for watching.
Not yet.
Not yet. She has some surprise to show you guys.
Actually, 2.
2 surprises. Yeah.
From grade 2, on the second last day, we made this. Because on the last day we had to go to a field trip. Yeah. So on the second last day we had this. This has all my classmates on it, even my teachers.
You have a souvenir of grade 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bye.